If you're naturally a competitive person and you love sports fishing, this is the boat for you, man. You'll smoke everyone else. My name is Tom Trembath. We're based in Cairns, North Queensland. We're Merino Boatworks, so we build high-end centre consoles. Oh look, I mean, if you wanted to do the send, there's plenty of underfloor storage. Put the fuel in it, put all the gear in it, head around to the tip, go to Bamaga, head up to TI, go to the Fly River if you want. This is the boat. Oh man, if you look at the backdrop here, I mean, we're on like a shallow flat covered in rocks. You can chase barra, fly fish. Obviously, being a boat that you use under a number of different scenarios, getting into shallow water is pretty important. So what we've got here is a Dometic Jack Plate. You can actually actuate it up and down from this Dometic switch just under the steering wheel. So having a jack plate, what that allows us to do on the plane is actually get the boat higher out of the water. When going into a creek mouth, if it's a shallow mouth, you can jack it right up, keep that prop in the water and get you going. And it also just gives you another level of control on the boat underway.